I'm Malisa from Uganda, Ugema University. I've been working on the MergePatientData module or project this year in Google Summer of Code, and we've had a number of objectives. I was expected to build a working module that merges patient data, and the module should merge patient data as a resource, encounters, observations as resources, and the merged data should be kept in an encrypted format. What we have achieved, actually, I have developed a working module. The module actually merges data configured or merges configured resources like patient resource, location resource, and the module encrypts the data. About encryption, I use the Java cryptography API and the advanced encryption standard algorithm to do the encryptions, and then resources I'll put them down on the YouTube link. Let's dive into a demo on about this. Actually, I have 3 servers. I have around 6 servers, but I'll use server 4 and server 1 to demonstrate this. This is server 4, and I'll be importing data to this server. Like you see, there are only 2 patients in here. I'll be porting data to this server, and I'll be importing it from server 1. This is server 1. It has a number of patients, around 30 patients. Let me come here, and I click export data, and then I'll save this file. Then come here, go to the MergePatientData dashboard, import data. Cool. Then I come look for the .mpd file. .mpd file. I'm not seeing it. Could you be seeing it? Oh yes, it's here. And submit. Oh, the operation was unsuccessful, but let's look through the log, the audit, and we see what really went on. Okay, there's a known issue that patients have the conflict patient identifiers. So the merge patient data module just ignores those patients that have conflicting, and these are there are 2 conflicts of patient identifiers. So it managed to merge 32 patients. So let's prove this. Come here. Actually, I don't know why it doesn't show the merge data by default here, the chat search model, but let me just look for some of these things to, yeah, they're here. I can look for from server 1, server 1. Yeah, there's data from server. I had 2 mob servers. There's data from server 2. There's also data for server 3. There's no data from server 3. So I have lots of data. From the sync server, from where. So actually the module works fine. So there's the auditing. This is how auditing for export looks like, auditing for import, and so configurations. This is how it looks like. You can import data, you can what. So we're running out of time, and there's a lot of pending stuff. I had to add support for encounter resource and support for the observation resource, do code cleaning in the code base, then implement most of the to-dos, add unit tests for all resource services, and utility classes. Then these are some of the resources that could be significant to some. Some of you that want to use the module, I would like to extend lots of my gratitude. Thanks to the Openmrs organization and Google Summer of Code Inc. Incorporation, and in particular, I would like to thank Musoke Steven, Daniel. These guys have been there for me. Yeah.